Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Genshin Impact on a PC emulator. First, understand that an emulator lets your computer run mobile apps, giving you a larger screen and better controls for games like Genshin Impact. Before starting, check your PC specifications. You will need at least Windows 7, 4 GB of RAM, and 10 GB of free disk space for the emulator and game. Next, you need to choose and install an Android emulator. Popular options for playing Genshin Impact include BlueStacks, LD Player, and Ememu. Visit the official website of your preferred emulator to download the installer. Once downloaded, run the setup file and follow the simple on-screen instructions to install the emulator on your computer. This step is crucial for creating the mobile environment on your PC. With your emulator installed, launch it and sign in using your Google account to access the Google Play Store. Once logged in, search for Genshin Impact in the Play Store and begin the download. Be aware that the game is quite large, requiring at least 30 GB of storage space, so a stable internet connection is recommended. After the download, the game icon will appear on your emulator's home screen. To ensure the best experience, optimize your emulator settings. Allocate more CPU cores and RAM, such as 8 GB if your PC allows. Within Genshin Impact, adjust graphics settings to lowest or fastest for smoother performance. You can also customize keyboard and mouse controls through the emulator's key mapping feature, providing a more precise and comfortable gameplay experience. Enjoy your adventure in Teyvat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.